I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me this great 6-foot olive tree. Let me show you a few tips and tricks on how to put it together to make it look its very best.
Now there's only a few pieces and it comes with instructions, but you're not going to need the instructions if you're watching this video because I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Plenty of room between the two planters to add sand or gravel as base material if you want to make it more stable. Certainly not necessary, but if you have dogs or small children that might bump into it, it might be a good idea. You don't need the extra space for stabilizing material. It's a clever spot to store some valuables. The lid on the planter rests right here, not right here. Don't force it, just gently click it into place and it should look like this when you're done. Now the next thing you're going to do is grab the weighted base that has the bottom of the tree trunk in it and the top portion which has the majority of branches and leaves on it and connect the two together. Once you're confident that those two pieces are aligned, then firmly push the two trunk pieces together. And before I put the planter in the planter base, I go ahead and fluff out the branches. And the way that I do this is I just do it a little at a time and I'll step away from the plant and look at it, and then once I get it exactly like I want it, then I can just pick it up and put it in the planter base and step back away again just to make sure the final positioning is exactly like I want it. The only thing left to do is install this decorative moss around the base of the tree, but if you don't like the moss and you want a different look, you can totally leave it out, or you could even use polished pebbles like we did with this other tree that we got from the same company. And because I own multiple trees from the same manufacturer, I can tell you their attention to detail is spot on. Look at these leaves and the lines in those leaves. They are incredible at what they do. They make great artificial plants. Look at the bark on that tree. It is amazing how realistic they really are. If you're looking to add life to some space without having to add water and fertilizer, these trees are a great way to go.